Hello, good morning. This is Anka from Talk Heater.
Hi, this is Anna, and thanks for your coming to watch our live stream. And if you keep following us, you may be very familiar of our thermostat series. And today is our third part of our thermostat, and we will introduce most of our capillary thermostat, and you can have a better understanding of our products.
Yes, now the samples on my hands is the capillary thermostat. Also, it has another name, it's the liquid expansion thermostat, because from their shape you can see that it is with a capillary tube. That's why we call it capillary thermostat. For such products, it is widely used for so many home appliances, such as the electric water heater, electric boiler, electric oven, frying pan, fryer, washing machine, sealing machine, fridge, and so on. So its appliances, its application is very wide. So let's take a detailed look of our sample first. Joy, 麻烦转到4号镜头。So let's take a detailed look about our samples on the sample table. There are several popular types on our sample table. From the appearance of the capillary thermostat, you can see it is mainly composed of the drive objective. For the drive objective, normally it is include the capillary tube and the temperature probe. Yes, and also it consists of the shaft and terminal, and also the main box, the ceramic parts. Yes, and so on. And in the next, I will give you a detailed instruction about the structure of our capillary thermostat. First of all is the shaft. For this shaft, you can see that this shaft is the D type. Yes, and in the middle of the shaft it's empty. Actually, there are different shapes of this shaft. Like this one is the D shape, and some shaft will be cylindrical. Yes, some shaft will be the cylindrical, and also it can be made different material. Some will be made the stainless steel. Some will be made of the brass. It's different. And for the length of shaft nodes, I remember that we can make is from 10 millimeter to 23 millimeter. Yes, and also our shaft can be equipped with the knob. The knob, I mean this knob, or without knob is okay as well. We can make according to your requirements. If you require knob, maybe the price will be a bit higher than the capillary thermostat without knob. Yes. And the second part is about the temperature probe. Like this one, this is the temperature probe I mean. Yes, for the temperature probe, normally there are two materials for your option. One is the stainless steel like this one, and some will be made of the copper for your option. And the diameter and the length of the temperature probe will be different as well. It is such dimensions can be customized according to your requirements. For example, for the tube diameter, some customer will require 3 millimeter, some customer will require 4 millimeter or 6 millimeter. Normally, if the tube diameter is bigger, the tube length will be shorter. If the tube diameter is smaller, normally the temperature probe length will be longer. Like this one, the diameter is smaller, but its length is longer, right? And the third part is about the capillary tube. For the capillary tube, this is the capillary tube. For the length of the capillary tube, now we can make is from 350 millimeter to 3,500 millimeter, and we can do according to your different requirements. And there are also a protector sleeve on the capillary tube. For this protector sleeve, and its color can be customized as well. Some color is black one, like this. That's the sample on my hands now. Some color will be yellow, and some color will be red color. It's customized, and for the length of the protector sleeve, it also will be different. Maybe some customer will require longer, like this one is maybe I think is 1 meter length, and some customer will require shorter, maybe only 40 millimeter and 50 millimeter and so on. Yes. Also, you can see that there are terminals. There are terminals on the capillary thermostat as well. The sample I pointed now is the terminal. As for its number, some customer will require 4 numbers, 3 numbers. Some customer will only need 2 the terminals. Yes, it can be also made according to the number requirements from customer, and the degree of the terminals is also different. Like this one is straight terminals, but some terminals will be like this one. It's folded. It's 90 degrees. Yes, and the material of terminals is different. Can be also made according to your requirements. Okay, and the fourth one is the ceramic part. For this ceramic part, you can see that it is very beautiful, right? Yes, because we adopt the dry processing process to do this ceramic part to make it more stronger and more higher density, and so that we can make it not easy broken and not easy to deform, and so that you can know it is more beautiful. The above information is the brief introduction about the structure of our capillary thermostat, and because we have rich experience to produce the capillary thermostat for many years. Until now, the model we have are including Type E. Yes, like this one is the Type E. It is the E0 type. For this type of capillary thermostat, actually is very popular use in our market. Most of our customers will first inquire such type of capillary thermostats, and also the Type Z. This one is the Type Z. And IG type is very bigger size. This is the IG type capillary thermostat, and the Type I. Yes, and Type T. This one is the Type T. And the Type Y and the Type 711 and Type 2 F2000. If you are a fridge manufacturer, you should know that this type of F2000 type of capillary thermostat. It is specially used for the fridge. For such type of thermostat, its temperature scope is from -35 Celsius to 350 Celsius. You just send your quantity to us, then we will give you price immediately. And normally we will sell such type of thermostat to American markets, like as the USA, Colombia, Mexico, and the Euro markets such as the Ukraine, Russia, and so on. And also, this is one is the type S. For the type S, normally we call it the protector. For such type protector, it is used for the appliances which is require higher safety and or the higher end devices. It is a double protector. Normally, it is used together with the capillary thermostat. When capillary thermostat was broken or not working, the protector can protect the electrical appliances from overheating and cut off and prevent dry burning. For such protector, the operating temperature we can make now is from 60 Celsius to 160 Celsius. Yes, it is a double protector. And for example, do you know the frying pan for such home appliances? Actually, you know, when using, there are many oil and many water inside the home appliances. So it will require a protector inside because it can, when the home appliances, when the fryer is working, the protector can more promise the home appliances safer and so that it can keep working and safety to use. So the above information is the brief introduction of our capillary thermostat and the protector. If you are interested in more types capillary thermostat, please just leave your message to our assistants and they will reply you immediately. In the next, Anna will give you more details about the specifications and the lifetime and the advantages of our thermostat.
Yes, thanks for Anka's introduction for our capillary thermostat, and I will introduce most of technical parameter to all of you. Yes, for the capillary thermostat, our operating temperature range at L position is minus 35 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius. Yes, we will set the temperature. If you require normally temperature, we can make. Also, you can tell us your needed temperature like on or off. We can customize for you. Yes. Inside the thermostat, it will have a contact. We will set the temperature to control the contact. And also for the difference between on and off is 2 to 15 degrees Celsius. Yes. You can just tell us your needed on and off temperature. And also our capillary tube length scope can be reached 350 millimeter to 3,500 millimeter. Yes, you can see here the capillary length can be customized. Yes, and our shaft length, you can see here the samples is different. Yes, this one is more and this one is longer. For the shaft length we can customize, and our length scope will be 10 to 23 millimeter. Yes, you can just tell us your shaft type, like just Anka said, we have D shape and also we have other shape. You can just tell us. And let me explain why we are different from other manufacturers. The first, we can assure that our thermostat can be used for at least 8 years, and our temperature will not float. And just like if you set the temperature like 90 degrees Celsius, and even after 8 years, our temperature of our thermostat will keep the same and will not get any float, and its quality is very stable. Yes, this is very important part because thermostat can control your final appliances, and our thermostat inside could assure all of your appliances can reach even 8 years. It's good quality. Okay, the next one, we want to highlight is our lifetime. Our lifetime can reach 100,000 cycles. Yes. Also, this means that our thermostat can service your appliance longer. And the third part is about the terminal. Yes, you can see here the terminal, some are 3 and some are 2. All this can be customized, and also the degree of the terminal. We can customize, and we can make adjustment according to your design, and this will fit for your final appliance very well. Okay, the next part is about our material of our ceramic or the bakelite. Yes, we normally use dry pressing ceramic. You can see here, this one, the white one. We normally use dry pressing processing, and when other manufacturers use wet pressing, our dry pressing ceramic is more beautiful, you can see here, and also we can assure it is high intensity and not easy to break. When you fall down on the table, it will not get break because it is hard and stronger to make. When other manufacturers use wet pressing, it will get holes inside, so the structure inside is not so strong enough. And also our thermostats are mechanical and not like electronic. They can work in high temperature and high humidity environment. Yes, all this will assure that our thermostat can be of good quality, and also our capacity can be reached 200,000 pieces. That means, however, no matter how your order is, we can assure that we can deliver time will be good and will be fast to ship out to you. Yes. Normally, our package is about the carton and the pallet. Normally, we will pack 100 pieces in one carton. If you have special package requirements, you can also tell us. We can make customized. Okay, as you can see on the sample desk, we have shown that so many certificates we have, such as ROSE, CE, VDE, TUV, and so on. And also our market has expanded into like Russia, South Africa, Turkey, Brazil, Mexico, and so on. Through all these years, we have so many thermostat products to many countries, and our products have confirmed that it is good quality before shipment, so don't worry about that. If you are interested, we also can send you samples for testing. Then you will know who we are, and we can promote our cooperation.
Hello, welcome back.
Yes, through our introduction of our capillary thermostat, you can see our type has so many, yes. And also we have so many types, and we can all customize. And welcome to send your inquiry, and we will give you more details. And just now, some customers have sent some questions to us, and also you can also type your message to us, and our assistants are standing by, and they will summarize and collect your questions to us, and next part will be Q&A time, and we will answer your questions one by one, and we will see one video later, and next part we will see you and answer your questions. So don't go away, and see you in 1 minute.
Yes, see you later.
Hi.
Yes, welcome to our Q&A time. Here we collect several questions that our customer asked just now. And I'm going to answer your question now.
Yes. Thanks for your support and thanks for your watching.
Yes, the first question is, what's the operating temperature range of capillary thermostats? Okay, about this question, about the operating temperature of our thermostats, now we can make it from minus 35 Celsius to 350 Celsius. And you can send me your requirements for the operating temperature, and we can make the product according to your requirements. The second question is about what's the operating temperature range of the protector. Like me introduced before, regarding the protector, the temperature range we can make is from 60 Celsius to 160 Celsius. Yes, for such protector, normally it will be used for the home appliances, which it is require higher safety and high-end products. Yes. The third question is about what's the capillary tube length that you can make. Actually, I had introduced before during our live stream regarding the capillary tube length. We can make is from 350 millimeter to 3,500 millimeter. Yes, and Anna had write down my answer on the whiteboard. You can see it. Yes. And the fourth question is, how do you pack the thermostat? Okay, regarding the package, because actually the capillary thermostat, normally we manufacture the standard one to our customer. We will normally pack 100 pieces in one carton. And in order to protect our goods well during the transportation, except for packing by the cartons, and we will use the pallet to pack the goods as well before loading. The next question is, what's the shaft length of the capillary thermostat? About the shaft length of our capillary thermostat, the range we can make is from 10 millimeter to 35 millimeter. It can be customized according to your design. It's okay, no problem. And just send your special requirements for the length to us, and we will do according to your design.
Yes.
The final question is your capillary thermostat can be equipped with knob? Yes, sure, it can be with knob. From you can see from our sample table that we had shown you the sample with knob, right? So we definitely can do and can equip with the knob according to your requirements. But maybe its price will be a bit higher than the capillary thermostat without knob, because you know the cost increased a bit.
Yes, but it will save a lot of time.
Yes.
If you find another supplier for the knob, yes, we can assemble these two, yes, together and ship out to you. That will make business simple, and our quality is good, so you can also test our samples.
Yes. So thank you that customer give some question to us answer. Thank you for your supporting. Because the time is limited, and I think our Q&A time will be finished here. So and our next stream will be start from 3 p.m. Beijing time.
Yes.
So please keep following us, and see you this afternoon. Thank
Yes.
you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.